Hello guys, welcome back to another video of our channel Analytical Angle. In this video, we are going to take up a problem from JEE Main 2021. JEE Main 2021. This is an awesome problem from the chapter Units and Dimensions. Let's start solving it. So it's given that the entropy of a system is given by this formula S is equal to alpha square beta natural log of this, where alpha and beta are the constants. Mu, J, K, and R are the number of moles. Mu is the number of moles. Mechanical equivalent of heat is J. Boltzmann constant is K. And gas constant is R. And it's also given that S is equal to dq by T. So we have to choose the correct option among these. So we have to choose the incorrect option among these. So first of all, we need to find the dimension of S. Now, S is given as dq by T. What is Q? Q is heat. T is temperature. So, what's the dimension of heat? Heat is basically work done. So, what's the dimension of work done? We need to find that. That is force into displacement. What's force? That's mass into acceleration into displacement. What is mass? That's distance by time square into S. So what will be the dimension? It will be M, L. What was S? S is also L. So L square by T square. So we can write this T square above as T to the power T to the power minus 2. Okay, so we have found this as M L square T T to the power minus 2 by, that was temperature, so temperature unit dimension is K. Okay, moving on. So next we need to find the dimension of K. K was the Boltzmann constant. So what is K? K is energy by temperature. And what is energy? It's basically the work done. So the dimension should be the same as this one. So the dimension would be M L squared T to the power minus 2. And its temperature, so it's K in the denominator. Notice that the dimension of S and the dimension of K both are same. So dimension of S is equal to dimension of K. Okay, so moving on. We now find the dimension of R. What was R? R is the gas constant. We know that R is energy by time. So what will be its dimension? Again, energy is M L square T to the power minus 2. It's the same. And in the denominator, it will be so R is energy by NT. N is the number of moles and T is temperature. So energy is ml squared T to the power minus 2 by the mole we write into temperature, which is K. So this is the dimension of R. Next, we need to find out the dimension of J. What was J? Let's see in the question. So what was J? J is the mechanical equivalent of heat. So we know that J is work by heat. Now heat is also basically work, so the dimension of both are equal, so it gets cancelled out and it becomes dimensionless. Okay, now now coming back to the question, we are given this equation. Notice that this is a part of natural log, and natural log of something, this something will be dimensionless always. So here mu kr by j beta square, mu kr by j beta square, this one is dimensionless. So we can write that mu kr, the dimension of mu kr will equal the dimension of j beta square. Now just place the values what we have found till now. We know that mu is mole because mu was given to us as the number of moles. So mu is moles into what was k that we found. Let's see. K was ml square t to the power minus 2 by k. ml square t to the power minus 2 by k. And r, we found r as ml square t to the power minus 2 mole k. That is equal to, this is dimensionless, as I told you, dimensionless. Okay, let's write it down. Its dimension, this one will be dimensionless. Okay, so it we do not consider this, we take beta squares dimension. So what will be beta? The dimension of beta would now be mole gets cancelled, this becomes k square. So m square L square t to the power b square's dimension is this, to the power minus 4 by k square. So what will be b's dimension? This one goes out, this becomes minus this becomes minus 2, and L becomes square, and M becomes square. M is blank. So the dimension of beta square would be M square L4, L to the power 4, T to the power minus 4 by K square. So the dimension of beta would be M L square T to the power minus 2 by K. If we bring this K up, it should be K to the power minus 1. So we found beta 2, the dimension of beta. Now, from here, we know that this one is dimensionless. So we can ignore this. S is equal to alpha squared b. Okay. S is equal to alpha squared beta. Alpha squared beta. So alpha square is equal to S by beta. And the dimension of alpha square is equal to dimension of S by dimension of beta. So what was the dimension of S? The dimension of S, the dimension of S was ml square t to the power minus 2. It was ml square t to the power minus 2 by what was beta? Beta was um, so S is equal to alpha square beta. So the alpha square is a dimension of alpha square will be dimension of S by dimension of beta. Now what was S? It was ml square t to the power minus 2 k to the power minus 1. And what was beta? It was ml square t to the power minus 2 k to the power minus 1. All the elements gets cancelled. We are left with m0, l0, t0, k also 0. So basically this becomes dimensionless. Okay, now let's come to the options to see which one is incorrect. S and alpha have different dimensions. What was S? What was S? S was ml square t to the power minus 2 by k. What's alpha? Alpha is dimensionless. So they have different dimension, which is correct. So this option will be wrong. Alpha and k have the same dimension. Alpha and k and this have the same dimension. K, we know ml square t to the power minus 2 by k. Alpha, what was alpha? Alpha is dimensionless. So this one is wrong. So this should be our correct answer. Still we check the other ones. Alpha and J have the same dimensions. Alpha is dimensionless, and what was J? J was dimension. So this is correct. This cannot be. S, beta, K, mu r have the same dimension. S is this one. Beta is ml square, this one. S beta, K mu r. K we have found as this one, but mu r also, if we find out from this, mu r also has the same dimension. It should have, mu r certainly has. Mole into this part into mole will bring us to ml square t to the power minus 2 by k, which is the same. So all of them are same, so they have the same dimension, which is correct. So our option is wrong. So B is the correct answer. I hope the solution was clear. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel, Analytical Angle. Thank you.